All right. This CD you are going to be learning how to get the client in a GitHub 2 pink slips. So first in altitude, this is the example of approach that I need on the client. So I approach it like image, Telegram, as if you stop, or maybe I can for a script, but it don't have half enough than didn't. So I just tell you that if you lead F with crypto or many thick roads, or just want someone experienced to support launch, I'll give you to jump on it. So this is just like we are operating them. If it buy and late or the client made the community manager community moderate go. So another to have to be is that we are going to be operating clients that are in leader where animated sticker or figures. No, if you I don't know if you notice if you join people by that if you seen like all them stickers and videos that those in by said so this are was wait payment with scouting for people that are in need of that service to allow a sound. So now once you're able to do post one your one check the book. I have said the link to the website there so one check. So when I just found it. Here is the link. Copy the link. I go back to the website. Paste the link again. Paste it. After I paste it, so now you are this website is for Dixis. So all those opponent trading number points is there. So now why I like this particular pixels is reverse is easier. And you can understand it more than this print and other stuff because and it I will I assurance of getting twice his particular axis. So now let me show you how I want to do. In this thing, this pixels is easy to get Solana point, ETH, all those non-funny stuff like that. Just come on this right hand website. Click on this large bag. Click on it. Then if you scroll down, you click on this large part. Please click on it. But mind you, this thing will reduce friends if you are late on your phone. If you are late and you're going to be right hand with shit 3 girls at the rest and but if it is on system view, just go to your left hand side. You have one to say. So after clicking on it, then you come down on back. You see, that all artist mode contribute only. So you just keep on order. A back keeping on all just can yeah. That select which one. I'll wait for Solana, find that Ana, Solana, DMB, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, all of them are here. Which one do you want? Mrs. Ton. All Solana and bugs there's choose they're just choose random. So this is random now. Just leave it like that. Then form to start this. Just pop on. See, just speak up on. So now what I will do is that the con name. This part's plot tip. Yeah. You see, how to lap this one, I lap this one. Why this one is going to abuse you. That's it. Let me see the other one. So let's use this one. I think it's on his more bed and then he scroll down like this. As you can see him. Say start in 3 minutes. This one is 4 hours. This one is 1 hour. So what I'm going to do, just come here and test few. Tap on few. After you tap on few, you see, just go down, you see there, or let you see there, so Jambi there, it is up. Just click on Telegram. click on Telegram. Just allow I upload Telegram. So now I tell you that I'm not using this particular Telegram, so I will have to switch my Telegram user to go and I'm going to use. So the Telegram bots use have already. I edit them everything, whether it's more reasonable with Rapture, if I or the client. He does go to this place. Oh, you switched my paste married. So then I will have to pop up si part site what particular site few in Telegram again. Few in Telegram. You come back here, click of Telegram again. Can you hear me? You can't. Where's voice clipboard? So you saw no this one that's the line and does click on it. You. Let's put Telegram. So now let us still post into Telegram. So instead of you to join channel, don't join. Just keep on top to verify its paths. As this, as you guys see. Right? And we upon this particular link, click on left like this. We see that this shows you the group. Then join group. They are 590 subscribers. See now, yes, what we lit now. So now, the next provider to just say, hey, yeah, yeah. I knew, yeah. I'll start sending in and go here. Look on his face. It's more done. So now, what you have to realize that some groups, they used to block their members so that they are not going to see the member. If I had a group, it's probably the admin level going to see. So now I was like going to be that to pump and check for people that are able to message. But first thing you have to know, always look for an owner. Look for owner. Look for owner. Or if you don't see owner, just order and find admin. Your admin must not be save wife. It must not be something like what's required. That all this remove deleted accounts, all these gray shad words. You must not choose on poison. Just not sure you choose on it. The city self guideline is both black as it's a many village. This rose also is a with a port. Just clip on. We want that with God's reports. Let's try this. Let's try this. The mom. See this number also is both. You go back. So the person can check on now. That step on is on AQ. See this one is not imposed. So now watch out to be just click on send message. Click on send message. After that, so the last thing to do that, we go back to this wood. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I take out one. Use me like a bit more. Let's see. Oh, here's the like this. Up you apply this. Like that this. Then you go to your chat, tip it. Put your chat, tip it is like this. Put your chat, tip it then clip on it, like this. Then all I will do that. Paste. Just see that umama is. So mice. My mice. First. this. What? Again, then you could come up. Then you say, then you say that I worked it to sing nor like someone it's don't that's New Year's to humanize and repair this word for me. I want it to sound more like someone with not done expressing the fit. Then you best it. What for you? That ain't words of it, and thus of the it. I listen or vision. Or be that dender, rope out CD, rope like this, one check for anybody about message that is not would any check on yes okay plot as familiar lit and it loop on it. Then keep some message. Said them. And your best is on for it's yeah. And Chang it again, he guys no error of dispatch glads in. He dies no error, then you send. So that's how it drops. Therefore, what is it for if you read this particular message that I send now, it has content for emulated and omnit management at the same time. Why jet? Because it annihilated is get and omniscient engagement is same thing as commodity management. Slayer home price, both of them together. That's how it works. So it's not more than that. So now, if the buyer now asks you, have you done any project before? You say yes, you're now sharing of them. And you go and search. Won't you auto sticker all the projects that you have done before? One, send me to 1 or 2 example twin. Then you now boy him. Click on his place. Click on this place. Then you click on. By check your folder. It's my manual point. Hit on this so that you can see what you want to figure out. So example of what I understand. Just click on. Would you bother that in my sentence? If Bobby send like 2 or green to him, he can send 2 image I want with you. Then miss you on with you. Joy to be alive as here. If it dish soup and it can come open. Then you send. See, tell sample get whop you out dump. So you're black. If you like it, then you both of you are what tonight bullshit on it price that I want to go. Then you pump it, get whops. That's how it whops. Also, if you want to let's it another client, then you go back to this place, flip on business, and you go about business. Then spur down. He's gonna list back and check on another. We get back you want to ethics here. But always make sure you check on the order that is upcoming. You see this one now? This one is end. This one is ended. Just jet on the one that is forthcoming.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload from many.